Hi and welcome to ISBI. Today I gonna make a birthday gift for my mother. First I cut 2 small pieces and 2 bigger pieces out of spruce. Then I glue these pieces together. The small piece will be the base and the bigger piece the horseshoe. Next I draw a horseshoe on the bigger piece. And cut it out on the bandsaw. Then I sand all the surfaces on the disc sander and by hand. And round off all the edges on the router table. The last thing before painting is to drill all the nail holes. After I painted the horseshoe dark grey, I give it a coat of silver. Here I cut the base to the proper size. Then I sand it on the disc sander and round off the edges on the router table. Because I want the base to have a shabby chic look, I give it the coat of grey chalk color. I printed out the age of my mother on normal paper and transfer it to another piece of wood. I color the backside of the printout with a pencil and draw along the contour of the number. This transfers the graphite to the wood. Then I cut out the number on the bandsaw. To cut the inner part of the 0, I cut it apart and glue them back together later. And I give it also a quick sanding. As mentioned earlier, I glue the number back together. While the glue dries, I give the base a coat of white chalk color. I give the number another quick sanding and paint it dark grey. After the first coat is dried, I give it a coat of gold paint. To create the shabby chic look of the base, I sand the white layer partially away, so the grey layer shines through. I use the same technique at the horseshoe and the number. To add a message to the base, I printed out a stencil with my silhouette portrait. I stick the stencil to the base and add the color to it. front of the base are the names of me, my wife and our daughter. And on top there stands something like all the best and good luck. Here I drill the holes to mount the horseshoe to the base. Then I screw the parts together. And last, I give all the parts a coat of wax. The number holds in the horseshoe just by friction.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give it a thumb up, share and stay tuned for future projects. See ya!